So that happened and was actually one of the major reasons as to why there's a lot of IPs that joined the CPP, NPA, NDF, especially in the 80s, 90s, and early parts of 2000.
And then what happened because of that, attorney? Because they joined the CPP, NPA, and the vast majority of the IPs naging NPA. What happened to our IPs?
Yes. Kaya nagkakaroon ng encounter, sino unang namamatay?
Yeah.
Mga ganyan. Unang natatamaan na malagyan ng mga tinatawag nilang revolutionary highway, hindi nagkakaroon ng peace in order pag may pumapasok na development, nasusunog yung mga equipments. So the areas where the presence of, where you feel the presence of the CPP, NPA, NDF nagkakaroon ng underdevelopment because of sino mag-invest naman sa area na punong-puno ng violence, di ba? Sinong mag-invest ka doon kung yung maliit na sari-sari store mo palang lalagyan pa ng revolutionary tax, no?
Yeah.
Pag aakyat yung bulldozer, sunog yung bulldozer kung hindi ka magbibigay ng